Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.